Cowboy Dipper here, and I'm gonna do a little long cut. Yeah, I'm gonna put me in a dip of some long cut and spit in the Patriot mud jug. You can go over to mudjug.com to get any of those. Yeah, any mud jug or that one. And I have a but before I put in some Copenhagen long cut, we have a few shout outs. Rebel, Soul Dippin', No Space, and Samantha Lewis. And what we'll be talking about is the 38 special. And I'm going to tell you what I think of it I'm going to tell you what I think of it. I've only shot one in my life, and so let's get a little long cut in. If you want to put one in, cheers. So, bullets for the 38 special are $19.50 plus tax. See if you can see that right there. And this is a box of the bullets. They got different ones. I don't even know if this gun is still around or not. And what I mean is, we have one of them. I don't know if the rest of them are still around. I know there's different ones, different types of them. This is what one of the bullets look like. So the gun, they must still be around. I don't know. I haven't seen any of them anywhere. But anyways, the internet says the price on one of these 38 specials, and here's one of them. Here's what one of them looks like. It goes from anywhere from $599.99 for the gun. And it goes up. I'm guessing probably what brand and how fancy of gun you want. But this one, I don't have a clue how much it was. I just looked up the price and that's what it brought up. Pretty sure this one was probably used in one of the wars. I don't even know. Made in Brazil. This one was made in Brazil. I don't know if they all are made in Brazil, but that's where it says this one was made. Now, was this gun on? From what I remember, this gun was actually off. It was not on. I did shoot it once. It was kind of dangerous to actually shoot, in my opinion. Now I don't know if that would be with all of them or with any of the others, but this one just didn't seem very, very safe because, like right now, yeah, like see, it don't even, oh, there it goes finally, but it took it a while to even close where the bullets go. This part right here, I think it still shoots. I don't know if all the pieces are there because it kept on falling apart and I'd have to put it back together. but I'm not sure if that's supposed to go in more or not right there. But it doesn't look like it goes in all the way like it's supposed to. But I just don't know. It just kind of... Now I can't even get it to open. But see, it just kind of doesn't go together very as good as some guns should. Like, I'm struggling to get it to close right now. But anyways, what would I give this gun for a review as this one? I would say this gun, it doesn't kick when I shot it. I haven't shot it, I don't know. It's just one of those guns you don't really trust. When I shot it, it seemed a little off, but now I'm not the best shooter in the world. I don't know if the gun is really off or not. That was just the one time. But since it kept on falling apart, I would... If this gun was new, it'd probably get, I don't know, probably 8 out of 10 or something. But this one's just old. I think it's so old that it just... It's done. It's done. There's nothing you can do. It needs to be retired. And the only reason I say that is because if anything actually ever happens to it, the parts are hard to find. Is what they told me. They didn't, I don't know if it was just this specific type of 38 special or not, but when I went to get the gun fixed, they weren't even sure if it was even fixable because they didn't know if they were going to find the parts to it or not. But I can't give this gun a rating because I don't shoot it much anymore. Just that one time it did shoot, but it just seemed off to me. But the pieces are hard to find, and it's just one of those guns that you don't shoot anymore. You just put up, and that's it. It went through its time of shooting. Because really, I wouldn't use it anymore. And besides, I don't even know what I would shoot with it anyways. And bullets are expensive for it. And the guns, to buy another one of these or any of the other types of them, they go from almost 600. Yeah, $599.99 or more, depending on how fancy I guess you wanted it or what, I don't know. But I just don't shoot it anymore, so I don't know. I don't know much about this gun really, but I don't shoot it anymore, and I just don't think it's safe because it just falls apart if you're not careful. You got to be careful setting it down and shit, because sometimes if you don't pay attention to it and crap, pieces of it fall apart and fall out. But thanks for tuning into this little video. Keep on packing lip 24/7. Keep on running the guns. Keep on spinning the black. Thumbs up the video, like the video, share the video, whatever. You guys can go and buy you one. They said they don't even. I don't even know if they make this specific one anymore or not. But it is expensive if you do have one and you're trying to get it rebuilt because its parts are no good anymore and you want new parts for it. Is what I got told at Doc's Gun Barn the year I went and got it fixed. I don't remember when that was. But they were hard to find. So, thanks for tuning into this video. I'm out now.